Roar! Whoa! Roar! Oh, look at, she's going to scare you guys. Look at. It's so heavy she can't stand up.
She can't even see where she's going right now.
See, McKenna and Macy likes your costume. Oh!
I know. And then I was over her face and she couldn't even see where she was going. So I was like,
What happened?
Are you going to wear your costume to trick-or-treating?
It's red.
Hey, can you say trick-or-treat for Mama? McKenna. McKenna. Can you say trick-or-treat for Mama? Can you practice? How do you say trick-or-treat?
No.
Say trick-or-treat.
Open this.
Did your mom say you could?
I think you've had enough candy because you're not cooperating with Mama. You're not listening very well.
She has the
Mama
book
has to
for
say
us.
yes.
Say trick-or-treat for Mama first.
The book is right here.
I didn't hear you. Say it louder.
Say trick or treat.
Uh-oh.